Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a blood oxygen level reading with your Suunto Vertical watch. I've got the solar here. It shouldn't matter whether you've got the solar or non-solar, they both have this feature. You've got two different options with regard to blood oxygen reading. You can do it on demand, or you can set it so that during your sleep times, if you're tracking your sleep, the watch will automatically measure your blood oxygen level. There is not an option for 24-hour blood oxygen reading, probably because it would eat up too much battery life. But I'm going to show you how to do the setting for nighttime, and then we're going to do a manual one as well, a manual reading. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply press the middle button on the right-hand side of the watch. There's a bunch of different ways we could actually get to this setting, but pressing the middle button on the right will take us into our settings, and then all I'm going to do is go down to sleep, and then under sleep, if you have sleep tracking on, let me go ahead and turn mine on, confirm my bedtimes. It says, do you want to activate blood oxygen night measurement? So if I turn this on, now at nighttime, when I'm sleeping, it will measure my blood oxygen. So that's the automatic way for you to have this watch measure your blood oxygen. I personally don't sleep in the watch. It's too big for me to sleep in. So when I want to do a measurement, I just do it manually. And the way we do that is we're going to use the widget. I'm going to go down. I've got the widget installed, and it's its own widget. A lot of smartwatches will put it under the heart rate monitoring, but this watch has it as blood oxygen. You can see the last time I took a reading was 17 minutes ago, and I was at 95%. It'll always show your most recent reading. Simply press on the middle button. This is a touchscreen watch, so I could use touchscreen as well. I tend to be more of a button person. Takes me in. It's kind of interesting because it shows you your elevation, and the reason for that is higher elevations, you can have a lower reading that's acceptable. So it's kind of interesting because it tells me, or at least it says in the manual, 96 to 99 is normal, and my last reading was 95%, and I'm not at a very high elevation. So let's go ahead and take another measurement and see what happens. You want to be as still as possible, and it measures rather quickly. Now, in the event that we get an error, we would do it again, and wow, 85%. That's pretty low, but nonetheless, that's how you take a measurement. I'm going to measure again. This time I'm going to be really still, and I'm not going to say anything. Let's see if we get a better measurement. .92. So still not great, but anyway, that is how you take a blood oxygen level reading with your Suunto Vertical. Once you're done, you just simply press and hold the middle button. That'll always take you back on this watch, and that's how you use it. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.